Good afternoon. It is not a morning ride, it's going to be an afternoon ride, and I'm sorry if the sound is rubbish. My microphone broke yesterday, so I'm having to like shield the mic. So basically today I'm at Rapha and we are, sorry, I was just making sure that my camera was wide enough. Yes, we're going to go on it's about a 100k ride, and going to go and interview some really amazing rider. I've just been doing interviews with loads of amazing riders recently, and I just didn't want to stop. So I'm not going to tell you who they are until we get there, but they are insane. What they are doing is like phenomenal. I can't even comprehend what they're doing. So that is where we're going. So I will see you soon. So I set off and had a puncture. So I fixed the puncture really fast, if I do say so myself. So I had the puncture and then set off again, had another flat, looked at the tyre, and the tyre was just completely worn and bald. And so I let the other girl who I was with go. And yeah, they're meeting some other girls on the route. So I've just come to Evans, bought a new tyre, bought a new tube. I'm hopefully going to try and catch them up. We have a route, so let's go. It's 2:10. We're meant to be meeting these people at 4. It's about 45k away, so it should be doable, and it's pretty flat, so I should be able to. I'm doing like 30k an hour, so fingers crossed. This is how determined I am to get this interview. It's just so good what they're doing. So I'm on Mao Cup Lane now, and I reckon it's just up this way somewhere. So basically I'm heading to one of the top 100 climbs in the UK, which I've not done before. It's just coming up to 4 o'clock, so fingers crossed, made it. So I have made it, and everybody is here. Everyone who I said I was going to come in to see, so I have made it. So now I'm going to interview these two lovely men. So if you can just tell me a little bit about what you're doing, and as you can see behind, 100 Climbs Challenge. Just explain what it is. I'll just come and chat to you.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Well, this guy somehow convinced us it would be a good idea to take on Simon Warren's whole 100 Climbs book in one continuous ride. So we're circling the UK, 5,300 kilometres, 81,000 metres vertical, and we're on day 10. And we're battling our way through, and we've just come up Mocop, which was a brute, chucking 25% of us just at the end.
Yeah, we've almost done 100 miles today.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. We're ready to get in for a hot shower. Hot water last night, and a deluge of rain in North Wales.
And the thing is, you're not just driving in between; you're riding to each of them, aren't you?
We left Guildford on bikes, and we won't be in any other mode of transport until we get back to Guildford on the 18th of September. And we've got a full detailed website, 100climbschallenge.org.
I will link it.
And we'd love for people to come and join us, help take the wind, and help us get around this thing, because at the end of the day we're raising money for 4 awesome charities.
So I was just going to say then, why would you do this? It's such a challenge. Even just doing, I think it's a challenge, even just doing, saying you're going to do the whole book in a year, never mind in like 1 month. Like, that is crazy.
Well, we met an interesting chap, didn't we, in South Wales, that was ticking off both books, 100 Climbs and another 100 Climbs.
David, he's done about 75 of each.
Yeah,
that is crazy.
He's a retired steel worker, and he's an absolute legend and a real inspiration for us.
Yeah.
This guy has spent years ticking them off. And he's coming to join us again, I think, in a couple of days.
Yeah.
He's really got the bug. Yeah. So
fantastic.
It's brilliant.
So how are you actually feeling?
I'd say we've ridden into it a bit.
Yeah.
But then the fatigue is definitely mounting. We needed our rest day on the ride.
We did 8 consecutive days of over 100 miles a day. I think something like 23,000 metres of climbing over those 8 days. And the last climb was behind Harlech Castle, which is a 40%, so it's very short.
God.
But when you've got 900 miles in your legs,
because even doing that distance is like hard. But then when you've got, that's the thing, it takes out. Like that one climb just takes you out of. Like, what's been your favourite climb that you've done so far?
I hate climbing. I hate climbing. Actually, some of the climbs in South Wales were really nice. They were just gentle and they went on a bit and stuff.
Yeah.
They were great.
Went on a bit like Dom, really. It was-
And what's been the most brutal of all other climbs?
We've been debating that actually, and despite how difficult some of Dartmoor and Exmoor was, when you're riding out and you've got to cross the Quantocks, you hit a climb called Crocombe Coombe, which I've probably pronounced wrong, and it's an absolute brute. It's just a vertical ramp. There's no respite.
That was my low moment for sure. This is Graham, by the way. Graham's the third musketeer.
Hi, Graham. Nice to meet you. So right now you're just going to head on now. So you've done Mount Cop and now you're...
We're kindly sponsored today by Wembley Park and Realm, who've made a big contribution towards our chosen charities.
It's amazing.
So we're going to meet those guys at their offices and share a beer, and then we ride out tomorrow for an absolutely brutal day in the Peak District, which
Peaks.
Hammerson have kindly sponsored. So
Wow.
That's 10 of the 100 climbs.
Yeah.
And we're
10 in a day?
10
10
in a
in a
day.
day.
Oh.
It's not the biggest climbing day. I think it's about 3,600.
Yeah.
And Simon Warren's going to come and join us for that. So
Is he?
Yeah, which
Fantastic.
is really exciting.
You can blame him for this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I did call it the nasty little book the other day. So,
It is. It is.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So I'm going to leave the link to your website so people can donate, but amazing job. I can't wait to speak to you ends to see how you're getting on.
Yeah, come and see us in Guildford at the end.
Yes.
Yeah,
Or
definitely.
better still, come and ride a leg with us.
Come and ride.
I am not fast enough to...
Yeah.
At your oh
I
no.
thought that, but yeah, I just sit and watch these two.
Let them take the front. Well done. And I will speak to you soon.
Thanks a lot, Kate.
Bye.
Baby, watch yourself. Try and figure out what the voices said. And I was thinking of you while I was falling apart. It's my side way, playing with my heart again. Helps me with thinking. Confidence in liquid. So I'm taking
This is awesome. Look at that.
Everyone probably with bikes on.
This is awesome. It's brilliant. Thank you, mate.
So 18 hours recovery.
Yeah, I'm not sure we're going to get that, are we?
So how do you feel after you've completed this day?
Every day we tick off is epic.
Yeah.
That's a good bunch of climbs.
Yeah, it was a good bunch of climbs and a really good bunch of people. That was everyone knew what they were doing. It was a good group, and it made the day go so much quicker.
Yeah.
Really did.
Yeah.
It was very good.
We got to rest easy tonight though. Tomorrow's massive.
Yeah, we've got 10 climbs tomorrow, so that's
10 of the... That's insane.
100
Yeah.
climbs. Yeah.
So you're doing a
I haven't
tenth of them in one day?
Yeah, I haven't even looked at what they are yet.
But there's
Ignorance
days where
is
we
bliss.
do none. We just cycle for 110 miles with
Yeah.
none of the 100.
Oh.
Yeah, that's more demoralising because there's no coaches and there's no aeroplanes, there's no transfer jackets.
Oh, well done. We'll keep
Thanks for
cheering you
joining.
on.
Thanks, Katie. Yeah,
Anytime.
It's really good.
Anytime. Always. Well, good luck. We'll be following the rest of your journey.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
See you later.
helps me with thinking. Confidence in liquid. So I'm taking risks. And your wasted chances. Are you up for this? Something more exciting. Calm down.
See you later. That was why I was riding out to Marcop today, or Mocop, however you say it. I didn't actually get to ride it because they'd waited for me so I could go and interview them, so I couldn't make them wait for me to ride it. So another time, another day, I will go and ride it. But what they're doing is just incredible. Excited for them, and so I'm going to leave all the links in the description just so you can go and check out what they're doing, because it is just incredible. Donate a couple of quid if you can. They're doing it for a lot of good charities. So yeah, I will. And now I've got another 40k to ride home. Off I go. Actually, one of the lads just gave me this. I had one already. Oh my god, that is the best gel I've ever had. I've never even heard of it. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, I will see you next video.